Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hoy, ito na nga ang pwede ng habang mga kapamilya dito sa Chicago.
Game na.
Ito na ang The Father and Son US Concert Tour.
Yes, it is happening at the Copernicus Center this coming
Friday, 8 p.m.
Yes, we'll see you there, guys, here in Chicago, and coming next week we'll be in San Diego on Sunday. This Sunday is April 14. We'll be in San Diego at Chula Vista.
And of course, sa April 20 naman, April 20, nasa nyo kami sa
Las Vegas. Sam's Town.
Las
Vegas. Get your tickets now.
Go na!
Woohoo!
Oh.
Imarit kasi person niya.
Hi, Papa.
Susunod. Hawaii kami magkikita.
Saan to Chicago?
Chicago.
Sabi ni Maris, anong tawag pag di ron tuloy yung tour?
Kasi Maria,
Ikaw nagsabi niyan.
Salamat, Chicago.
Ikaw nagsabi niyan.
Pag mag-stop daw.
Pag hindi natuloy.
Stop.
sila ni Naymay.
Pag natuloy, Chicago.
Eh, pag
Pero
umuwi ka ng
pinagbiling
bibimbap.
ko na lahat. Bilis ko pag ito. Ibang gamit ni
Bimbi,
Maria,
ah.
ginagamit ko na bago.
Ay, grabe.
Deliver na ayos.
Na-spoil mo yung joke.
Welcome to the Salt and Pepper Show.
Let's go.
Keith there by requests.
Oh, wow.
I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far.